What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, No Limit Nay. In today's video, I'm finna be teaching y'all how to make thumbnails, man. So, before we get into this video, please subscribe and leave a like on the video, man. Leave a like on the video, you feel me? And yeah, just smash that subscribe button for me. And y'all finna be teaching y'all how to make thumbnails. So, anyways, y'all, my camera had died, but let's get right to the video, man. So I'm finna start screen recording in 3, 2, 1. Look, screen recording. So now, what I'm finna do is, so first thing first, what y'all wanna do is open up PixArt. PixArt is free, you can download it for free. And then what y'all wanna do is, y'all wanna get the photo y'all wanna use. So I'm using this photo right here, I'm using this one right here. So what y'all wanna do, y'all gonna see the tools icon right there. Y'all gonna press it, and then y'all wanna press crop. And then y'all press the 16:9, which is the YouTube recommended size. So y'all gonna press 16:9, and then y'all gonna trim it to where y'all wanna get it though. Y'all wanna trim it to where y'all wanna get it. And then y'all wanna press apply. So then y'all wanna press effects. And then as soon as you press effects, blur should be, y'all gonna press blur. And then y'all wanna press blur. And then press the little, it's a little download icon at the top of the phone. Y'all wanna download it right there, man. And then it should be saved to y'all photos. So then y'all can press cancel. And then go back, press don't save, because you already got it saved to your phone. So now what y'all wanna do, y'all wanna press the photo again. But this time y'all wanna scroll over, like at the bottom, y'all wanna scroll it over like this. And y'all should see a scissors icon. So y'all gonna press cut out. So then Then what y'all wanna do is cut out y'all body. So just do an outline on y'all body. Just cut it out. Just cut it out now. And then y'all wanna press the little arrow at the top right hand corner. Then if it messes up, y'all could just fill it in, and it's an erase button. So what y'all wanna do is fill it in, man. So that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all don't have to be perfect, but if y'all want y'all stuff to be perfect, y'all gonna erase all the extra, like the bogus outline, like, cause PixArt don't always do a good job. So y'all just wanna do it like that. So then what y'all wanna do, y'all wanna press restore, like the little paint looking brush, and then y'all wanna fill in all the parts that PixArt missed. So that's what I'm finna do, man. And this might take a little minute. Like this shouldn't take more than like 5 minutes or lesser. But that's what y'all wanna do, man. Y'all wanna fill in all them parts that the TikTok did not fill in. I mean, y'all wanna my bad, y'all. Y'all wanna fill in all the parts that PixArt did not fill in, man. I don't know why I said TikTok, but y'all wanna fill in all that. And then y'all can even size it. Y'all can even size it. Just outline y'all stuff. So then, hold on. I'm almost done, y'all. Make sure y'all do not skip the video because y'all might miss a step. But look, it's not even that difficult. It's not that difficult to make them off your phone though. So then, any extra parts, y'all just want to go ahead and erase that because that's gonna mess up the look. It's gonna mess up how your thumbnail look. So please make sure y'all get some extra little outlines. But anyways, now that y'all got a good outline, hold on, let me check this part. This is the last part, my bad, y'all. Now that y'all got a good outline, y'all wanna press the save button. So then, as y'all can see, y'all, PixArt already cut it out for you. They did a decent job. You know what I'm saying? But you can fix it like I just showed y'all. So then y'all wanna save that. After y'all save that, what y'all wanna do is, y'all wanna, now that y'all got them two things downloaded, y'all wanna go to Fronto. And then y'all wanna press the icon at the bottom. Press photo albums. Now y'all is gonna need a transparent border. Y'all gonna need a transparent border. So basically what that is, it's like a transparent background. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all know what that is. If y'all want it, just go to my Instagram and just DM me, and I'm gonna text y'all. It, man. So if y'all need it, but hold on, did I delete it? Bruh, I think I deleted it. But anyways, we just gonna open back up on PicsArt. We just gonna go back to PicsArt. So what y'all wanna do is go back. We're gonna go back to PicsArt to get the transparent border. So y'all gonna press background. This part right here. Y'all gonna press background. So press that. And then y'all gonna press the little, it's like a whole bunch of colors at the top. Y'all, it's gonna be another background right there. Before the white color. So y'all just gonna press the background. Then what y'all wanna do, y'all just wanna save it. Y'all just wanna save it. Go to next, press save, download images to say save the photo. So then after that, what y'all wanna do is use the transparent border. So y'all gonna press that, which is from PicsArt. But if y'all want me to just give it to y'all, then just DM me on Instagram. But anyways, we gonna do, y'all wanna type in whatever y'all wanna type in, you feel me? How to make, say y'all type in how to make, y'all, so first thing, after y'all type in what y'all type in, y'all wanna go to style. It should be at the top, y'all gonna tap that. Turn both of those up, y'all can see what I'm turning up. Turn the shadow up. Then, y'all gonna go back to color. Now at the bottom, y'all should see something called create color pattern. Y'all gonna press that. I already got my pattern I wanna use, which is green. Yeah, I'm gonna make the thumbnail green. So, I'm gonna just do that. How to make, and then I'm gonna type in thumbnails. So then, y'all can make y'all own colors and stuff. Y'all can make y'all own colors at the bottom and let y'all create it. You feel me? Y'all can mess around with it, make it whatever color y'all want. Y'all can make it whatever color y'all want. But I already got mine, so y'all can press the little 3 lines and then go to my patterns. And then y'all can create a bunch and just save it, you feel me? But I'm gonna use this and then I'm gonna press vertical. Cause that's what like blends the color all the way in. So then I'm gonna size that like a little bit. Like, y'all can make it however y'all want. Y'all can do whatever colors y'all want and stuff. But I'm gonna say that like this. So hold on. And also the Fonto app is free. And if y'all wanna get the text, like the good text, y'all can go on thefonts.com. And y'all can just save some to y'all phone and then share it to the app. And if y'all want me to do that, then just but the app already comes with text that y'all can use. But if y'all want to do that, y'all can just search something up. So after y'all save that, y'all want to open up Superimpose X. Now Superimpose X is only $5. You feel me? And the Apple Store. So basically, y'all want to get y'all blurred picture. Go to 16 by 9 because that's the YouTube recommended size. And then y'all want to go to photos. And y'all gonna need something called like, dang, I forgot what this was called. But if y'all need this, just DM me on Instagram and I'm gonna give it to y'all. I'm gonna send it to y'all. Just text me if y'all need it, bro. Anything y'all need, feel comfortable with texting me on Instagram because I'll give it to y'all, man. But yeah. Y'all gonna turn, y'all gonna press layers, go to blend, and y'all gonna press, it should already be on screen. Y'all could just turn it down to like however much y'all want it. And then after that, what y'all wanna do, press add layer, press photos, y'all should see it, I'm tapping on it. And then, what y'all wanna do is click the picture that y'all cut out from PicsArt, and then y'all gonna press transform, and y'all can size it. Make sure it's like how y'all had. Make sure it's how y'all had it. Like, and then after that, y'all gonna press shadow. Y'all gonna turn the shadow up. You feel me? turn the blur amount up and the opacity all the way up. Y'all don't have to. And if y'all wondering, y'all can also change the color of the background and stuff. Y'all can change the colors of it. But for this, I'm gonna use black because black makes the thumbnail look crispy. So now, what y'all wanna do is press the plus icon again, press photos, press the text that I just taught y'all how to make. You feel me? And then y'all gonna press transform. Y'all can pause the video. Y'all gonna press transform. And then y'all gonna make it the size that y'all wanna make it. And then, now y'all gonna go to layers, press add layer, press empty layer, and then press transform. And then, after y'all press transform, which is at the bottom, press fit to canvas. Then y'all gonna go to editor. Y'all gonna go to brush. Y'all gonna go to paint. And then y'all gonna press the second one. And then y'all gonna press settings, which is at the bottom, and turn that all the way up. Now what y'all gonna do is, I'm gonna make this one like, I don't know what color I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick blue. So they also got colors at the top that y'all can press. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can pause the video if y'all want to. But I'm gonna use blue. So after that, y'all wanna push this out. Y'all wanna push this out a little bit. And then just, oh snap, press paint again, press that. And then y'all just wanna, cause I always make it smaller so it can be easier for my outline. And y'all just wanna go around the edges 2 times. If it mess up and it look like this, y'all can just press the arrow and it will undo it. Cause it's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be like a little color tint. So then y'all just do that. And then it should look like that. Now, the next step y'all wanna do, y'all wanna press the outline and push and drag it all the way under. So just hold it and drag it underneath and it should look like that. Now the next step y'all wanna do, y'all can download some emojis or whatever if y'all need it. Just DM me on Instagram. But y'all can just download some emojis and I'm gonna use this one. So say y'all use this one, right? Y'all can press transform, size it, and then y'all can hold it down and just drag it down, bro. Just drag it all the way underneath it. Y'all can kind of see where I'm going with this. And then say I just put it like right there or something. And then on the other side, I can press the fire. Put that on the other side like this. And then I'm gonna press editor, press effects, go to motion blur. And then I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can blur it a little bit. If y'all want to, y'all don't have to do this. But anyways, y'all gonna press transform. Y'all gonna drag that underneath it too. All the way underneath that. And then y'all just gonna put that like right there and crop it. However y'all wanna do it. And then after that, what y'all want to do is, I got an arrow. So then y'all want to press the plus, press photos. Y'all gonna need an arrow. I'm not sure if I want to use this arrow though, so I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna get a regular blue one. So y'all gonna need an arrow. So after y'all get y'all arrow, what y'all want to do is, y'all want to move it over and just like put it to where y'all want. So just like this. And then y'all want to go back to layers, press add layer, then press photos, and then y'all want to add y'all record frame. Now if y'all record frame look like this, y'all gonna press transform, press fit to canvas, and then y'all gonna go back to layers and press blend. Now I usually use screen, but I'm gonna use lighting because lighting, it like make everything look better. So I'm gonna use that. And then this is really how y'all make thumbnails. And then if y'all want to, like y'all can literally go to PixArt and then press add photos. Y'all can change the color of y'all arrow if y'all want to. So y'all can just press add that. Effects. I'm gonna make a green one since I got green on my thumbnail. So y'all can just drag it to the green. Press apply. Y'all can press effects again and then turn it up so it can be brighter if y'all want to. Then I'm gonna save it. Hopefully that's the green that I. And then after that, y'all gonna press the plus. Y'all can add the arrow. Another arrow. And then y'all gonna go to transform and press flip V. And basically what that does is it flips the arrow. So maybe y'all can have 2 arrows on both sides. And then if y'all want to, y'all can add a shadow to it a little bit. But I'm not gonna add one. So this is how y'all make thumbnails, man. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. I hope this video helped y'all. If y'all want me to do more videos like this, man, smash that subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below, man. And all y'all gotta do is press the icon in the corner and then save it to photos. But yeah, man, this is how y'all make thumbnails. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And I'm out.
Rockin' forces, the ones with the 2 strap. Chrome hard jeans, a few patches.